It's been a journey for sure. I started out in 2017 at the Pico top, and my first investment was like Litecoin, and I think it was like around like maybe 250, 300. So got in right, at the top, and I think that was actually pretty good for me to be able to just kind of like double down on like learning exactly what my investment was and what it could translate to in the future. So held on to a lot of bags and try to funnel a lot of money into crypto from my day job, and just tried to learn as much as possible on the way.
And what were you doing? Like, what was your day job at the time?
Bro, I was a manager of a T-Mobile store. Before that, I had like an IT company when I was like 19, 20 years old. And I always knew that I wanted to do, some sort of entrepreneurship. And I had a feeling
from the start.
I knew I did, and there was nothing that was going to stop me from, trying to figure out like where would I fit in. And then I saw like the opportunity with crypto and started just diving in. And the big thing for me was that the tech and the financialization, it was multiple different things coming together. I don't even understand the financial aspects, let alone the technical side. And I really wanted to understand it. So I took that as a challenge on myself. And I started to actually make some content around like 2018, 2019 on YouTube, because that was kind of like my background before getting into crypto and stuff like that. I ended up in March 2019, flying from Atlanta, Georgia, all the way to the Philippines. And I met my current business partner actually today, Digital Lawrence. But then I ended up going to Asia, spent 9 months out there, went to a lot of the conferences, like Consensus, like Singapore.
Oh, you went to that one?
Yeah, 2019, Consensus Singapore.
I was speaking there, man. I was on a panel with Do Kwon.
I think I remember that actually. And then Korea Blockchain Week, I was out there too. We did some stuff in Bali, DEF CON Osaka. I was there as well. Past COVID, started building some NFT technology with my business partner, Digital Lawrence, and our additional 2 team members, Olivia, our creative designer, and then our CTO, Kevin, and came up with Socialpass, one of our first products. And that product has done really well. We partnered with Budgie Penguins on that one. Got some cool stuff coming up on that front. And then more recently, of course, we started the development of NFTY.Finance about a year ago, or a little bit more than a year ago. And we're going to be on mainnet, let's say T-minus 30 days or so.